Hello, everybody. Andrea here with Lashes and Kisses. So yesterday was a very exciting day for all of us because they have announced some lip kits, which is amazing. Now, I started with Lipsense about a year ago. Actually, sorry, about a year and about 3 months ago now. And they didn't have lip kits out because back then the product was in such high demand that they couldn't bring out the lip kits because they could barely bring out enough products in time because everybody wanted Lipsense because Lipsense is amazing. You know, it doesn't come off, it's amazing, but now they have lip kits, and the best part is that even if you've been with the company for a while now, you can buy a lip kit as well, whereas normally only new people who sign up can get the lip kits, but now everyone's able to get a lip kit. And the lip kits are so nice because you get more product for less money, basically, right? So who doesn't want that? So I will be sharing with you guys all of the lip kits that are now available. They just came out yesterday, so May the 1st. So I'll be showing you guys that, and I'll be explaining all of them to you. But I wanted to show you guys my new case. I don't know if you've seen this yet. How amazing is this? I can fit, I think it's 80 tubes in here. How amazing. So clearly I just stocked up. Normally this is like half full. But yeah, I'm having 2 parties on the weekend, so I should be able to sell a lot of amazing Lipsense. And today I am wearing a combination, which I've never tried before, Lexi Berry and Aussie Rose. So how pretty is this? Lexi Berry is one of my favorite lip colors because it's on the purple side, and I love a good purple shade. But I put on 2 layers of the Lexi Berry, 2 layers of the Lexi Berry, and 1 layer of the Aussie Rose, and it's just a really good combination, if you guys can see that. And it's nice and shiny because I use the new silver glitter gloss. Well, I shouldn't say it's new because it's been out for a while. I wanted to use the Prism gloss, which is new, but I keep selling out of it. Literally, every time I get some new Prism gloss in stock, do I have it in here? I tend to sell out so quickly that I haven't been able to wear it myself. So this is the new Prism gloss, which I did have this in another video, but it's actually sold to somebody who's picking it up on, I guess, tomorrow. So I should probably not have that in my case because they are going to want their Prism gloss. But anyways, you guys, so let's talk about the lip kits. So I'm going to share my screen where I've created kind of like a PowerPoint for you guys to talk about the lip kits. If you just want to see what they look like, I do have a shorter video that I uploaded about an hour ago where I just quickly show what's inside all of the kits. So this is one of the longer videos where I just kind of talk about what's in the kit and why they're so amazing. So first I'll just show you guys kind of the main picture that I have here. So this is showing all of the kits. It might be hard for you guys to see because this is a PowerPoint, right? I wonder if I can do a slideshow. I tried to do it earlier and for some reason it wouldn't let me. So I can try that again, actually. Let's see, no, see how it's pretty small? So I'm actually gonna cancel out on my slideshow. So never mind about the slideshow. But this is all of the lip kits, and sorry for my dog. Let's make sure that the male's not here. There we go. Sorry guys, it's just somebody walking. So these are all of the lip kits, and that's why I want to talk about them because it's kind of hard to see. This is really, really tiny lettering. Daisy, sorry guys. In fact, let me shut my door, just one moment. There, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I'm going to talk about each of the kits because it's kind of hard to see, but if you would like these images, I did upload them into my Facebook group, which the link is right here on the bottom, so feel free to just come on in, ask me questions. I post images all the time, selfies, customer selfies, everything. Plus, if you would like to join my team, let me know because I do training all the time. People love it. We have so much fun and we are making money. No joke. Like, why else would I buy this amazing case with all of this Lipsense if I couldn't sell it, right? But okay, let's talk about the most expensive lip kit. So if you're in the US, the price will be different, and I train lots of people in the US also. I even have some team members that are thinking about joining from Australia. So I do I do train everywhere, just let me know. But in Canada, so this is $1,275 for all of this though. If you add it up, which I have, it's a $4,248 value, which is amazing, okay? Amazing, amazing. Now, I sell a lot of Lipsense. I have amazing customers, so I have to stock up every single month. I spend around $1,000 to $2,000 in product every single month, but I do sell that every single month, and sometimes I have to order twice a month if I get new customers and they want certain colors, right? You want to make them happy. And the nice thing is that if you spend over a certain amount a month, it's free shipping. And shipping, you know, who doesn't want free shipping? Because shipping can be anywhere from $8 to $46 depending on the weight. So trust me, you want free shipping. And this has free shipping. But I love this kit, honestly, because it includes a little bit of everything, which is perfect. You need this if you're thinking about selling, and especially if you want to throw a lot of parties. Now, I admittedly don't throw a lot of in-person parties. I prefer to do it all online because it's just easier for me. I'm doing something every day. I do teach full time, so I don't have time to do in-person parties. But if I did, I'm sure I could make a lot more money. A lot of my team members love to do in-person parties, and it's nice to have all of this, you know, put it on the table, and it just looks amazing, right? And you know what? You can keep some of this for yourself. Our skincare is amazing, and it includes a little bit of everything with the skincare. Now, I do have a list of the colors and everything that's included, but of course I left that downstairs. So I'm going to probably post that in the comments below, okay? But it's amazing. Like here, you have testers for the foundation. It looks like you have liners. Climate control testers, you have glossy gloss testers, it looks like blush, tons of stuff. And catalogs, people love catalogs, and the prices are in the catalogs. Skincare, amazing, amazing. This here is, I think, about a $300 value. Don't quote me on that, but amazing. Skincare, you know, cleanser, moisturizer. There's the serum as well, I believe. There's eye cream, like tons of stuff. And of course, Lipsense, which is my best seller. There's tons of colors, pretty much the colors that everybody wants. There's some neutrals, some browns, a red or two, amazing. Removers. I believe there's concealer in here as well. There's our new wipes to take off the makeup. Shadow Sense, like there's just everything, you guys. So I promise I will post the full list of what's in here, but you can pretty much see how amazing it is. Plus you get a website, okay? The website costs an arm and a leg, which is why I don't have one yet. But when I buy this kit, because I can, you get 12 months of the website free, which means people can purchase from you anywhere. They just have to go directly to the website. That is huge. I love it. Plus they have a new planner, and I just love it because if you plan to sell Lipsense, it does help to be organized. If you're not organized, it's a pain in the bum. So it does help to be organized. I like to write down all of my customers. I like to write down the products they purchased, you know, how much they purchased it for, if they happened to purchase it on sales, because I do have sales often. But I like to be organized. And with the planner, you can be organized in one place. So I love it. And in this kit, it does have this nice carrying case too, which is a huge help. It looks like they have the powder, so just tons of stuff. And I see the lip exfoliator too, which is new. Everybody needs this. So this one honestly is the best because it has a little bit of everything. And this is the one that I plan to purchase because I know I can sell all of it. And I would typically spend $1,000 to $2,000 anyway. So this is actually, I'm getting more, which I love. But the next one here, you guys. So this one is, I guess, number 2, okay? So you pay $825 Canadian, so not as much, for a $2,000 plus value. It still includes a lot, which is amazing. I love that. It does not include the nice carrying case like this one. It does include some catalogs, but not as many. It looks like the climate control samples isn't in here, and trust me, climate control is amazing. It is the most amazing thing for your skin ever. I've had psoriasis, so it's like eczema. For those of you who haven't heard of the skin condition psoriasis, I've had that since I was a kid. Climate control has cleared it up. I'm not joking. I used climate control on it, and the shea butter cream over top of that. It just is amazing stuff. So it's nice to have the climate control samples to give to your customers, because they will buy it if they have a sample. And it is included in the more expensive kit, but not this one. But this one does have the Glossy Gloss samples, some wands, which is nice to use as testers. You can get the website for 6 months, which is still pretty good. The planner, awesome. And it looks like they still have a lot of different types of foundation, Lipsense, gloss, remover, blush, the powder, the lip exfoliator, shadow sense, the mascara it looks like, and the wipes. This is still an amazing kit if you're just simply starting out. The reason why I like the more expensive one more for me is mainly because it does include the testers. It includes a lot more. And I love the case, not gonna lie. And it includes more skincare, which is what I want. And I do sell a ton of skincare. So I know that I can easily sell it. And whatever I don't sell, I'm gonna keep for myself, because I am running out of a lot of the things, because it's just amazing. So this one is number 2, but it's still an amazing kit. Now, the least expensive, so if you don't have a lot of money to spend, but you still want to get a good amount of stuff, this is awesome. It is only $375 with almost a $1,000 value, you guys. That's unheard of. And I love this one too, because it does have the samples for the gloss, some catalogs, lots of different lip scents, which is amazing. You can have the website for 3 months, which is nice. So you can try it out, see if you like it, see if your customers use it. But I find, I had a team member tell me that she actually purchased the website for a year, and she found that after the fifth month, so many more people they knew about her, they heard that she was selling Lipsense, and that's when people mainly started to use the website after about 5 months or so. So 3 months might not be a long enough time, but you know what? It just depends. Like, if that's something you're promoting, like, hey guys, I have a website to make it even easier for you to order, tell your friends, tell your family, everything. Amazing, right? So plus it has Lipsense, it has Glossy Gloss, and the removers, which is all you pretty much need to get started. So it doesn't include any of our other products. So if you're mainly thinking about selling Lipsense, then this kit makes the most sense, but it does not include skincare, the eyeshadows, everything. And to be honest, that's where I make most of my money, is by selling the eyeshadows and the skincare. Now, kit number 2 does have the eyeshadows, but not the skincare. And my customers love our skincare. As soon as they have tried it, they can't go back to anything else, so they keep ordering more. So it really just depends on what you want to try. To get the most bang for your buck, obviously it's the more expensive one, but that's always the way. But this is for those people who are serious, okay? They want to make money, and they want to make money now, and they want to have a lot of fun. Plus, feel free to take some of this for yourself too. It is huge. You know, give it as gifts for birthdays, Christmases, whatever. Like I said, so back to the least expensive kit here. This includes everything to get started, only selling Lipsense. So if that's what you want to focus on, then this kit makes the most sense. Just depends on what you want. So you guys, I hope this helped. Please let me know if you have any questions, because I was super excited about this kit when it came out yesterday. So I could be forgetting some more commonly asked questions. So please, please, please let me know. I'll show you guys quickly the kits again. And in the comments, let me know if you have questions. If you would like to join my team, let me know. We have so much fun. I've been selling Lipsense now for over a year, and I started to get into the skincare and the other products about 6 months ago. The best decision ever, because people love it and they keep on coming back for more. So good luck with everything. If you need help, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one.